ML is the new Tinder. And sa tingin ko, it works. We travel a lot. We share moments in life. And nung naging tayo, I remember. Today is the exact date. January 25, but 2022.
First of all, I want to say happy anniversary. And I want to congratulate us, finally. This is the day we've been waiting for.
Most importantly, I thank you both for raising your children full of love and affection. I am the luckiest to have Wayne as my partner. I promise that I will never leave his side. And one day, when we become parents, we will teach our future children with the same love that we learned from you. Thank you and I love you, my second mom and dad. Your loving extended daughter, Kobe. Looking forward pa din, mama, makatikim ng Ramboys. And please, ipe-perfect ko na po ang pagtawag sa inyo ng mommy and daddy.
Thank you in advance po, agad. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi and I pray na lagi po kayong good health kasi kayo po ang mag-aalaga sa mga anak namin. Thank you po sa lahat. Enjoy niyo po yung wedding namin ni Kobe at mag-ingat kayo palagi. Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
3 years ago, I remember the first time we officially met in Georgia. I remember the exact scenario noon na hindi mo alam yung gagawin mong pagbati sa akin. Kaya ako na yung nag-initiate na yakapin ka para lang mabalik yung awkwardness. Isipin mo naman kasi, sa Mobile Legends lang tayo nagkakilala. Tapos ngayon, kinakasal na tayo.
My husband, love, 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 hon, honey, baby, asawa ko, Wayne Ives pag galit na ako. Your love is infinite. It is so powerful that I felt pursued by God. So powerful that I began to see the world, that I began to see the beauty of life. You have such a wonderful soul. You make me feel at peace, safe, seen, and understood, especially at times that my hormones are acting crazy.
If I got day off, I travel to Dubai to meet you. Hindi ko na nga mabilang kung ilang beses na ako napunta ng Dubai para makita ka lang. And then now, ikaw naman yung pumunta sa Kuwait. And ito, lagi mo akong tinatanong kung gaano kita kamahal. And then ngayon, may pinrepare ako na sagot. Kaya kong isacrifice yung balat ng Chicken Joy na lagi kong sinasabi na save the best for last, mabigay lang sa'yo. Thank you sa lahat. Siyempre, hindi naman ako yung nagpapakita talaga ng way na kung paano. Showing na ganun. Pero alam naman nila na mahal ko sila. So, yun lang. Yun. Alam ko naman na nandyan lang kayo na mag-guide sa amin kung malilihis or what, mga ganun lang. Para mag-guide lang na kung saan yung path na tatahakin.
Basta dito lang
Yun.
palagi.
Chapter na ng life mo, support kami dyan. Ikaw na naman ang nauna. Pwede ako sunod. Yan lang. Enjoy lang. And welcome na welcome si Kobe sa family natin. Kung gaano mo siya ka-love, ganun din namin siya ka-love.
I vow to be with you every step of the way, because you got no choice now. To laugh at your corny jokes, to be the shoulder you can cry on, to be the motivation when you get frustrated, and to be your biggest fan when you succeed. For the second time around, I'm marrying the man who has the same heart as Nanay. I know she would be here with us today if only heaven wasn't so far away. 18 months of wedding preparation. Now we're here standing in front of our loved ones with a heart full of joy and love. I wanted to tell the world, the universe, how lucky I am to find a gem like you.
And aalagaan kita at poprotektahan kita tulad ng pag-aalaga ng at pagpoprotekta sa iyo ng parents mo. At lagi sasabihan na ikaw ang gustong makasama sa araw-araw, sa hirap at ginhawa, hanggang sa pagtanda, hanggang sa huli, aking palagi.
Are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you
I never namin makakalimutan yung warmth and love na binigay niya sa akin and sa kay Kenneth. Lagi kaming thankful doon kahit na minsan super feeling nyo entitled kami or nag-attitude or something. But behind those, hindi mawawala yung pagiging thankful namin sa iyo as a parent because you gave us freedom to do everything we want. So, thank you very much.
are the only one I'll ever love. Yeah, you. If it's not you, it's not.
You always cheer me up and believe in me, even when I doubted myself. You made me realize the deeper meaning of love, that it's not just about butterflies, it's compromise, it's trust, it's faith, it's being just. Love knows no distance. Love always wins. I know this is just the beginning and I'm ready to embark this grand adventure with you. You are my favorite place to go, my favorite human. I love you so much.
And sana makamit pa natin yung mga plans natin sa buhay together. Malayo na pero malayo pa. I love you.